Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Zoe and today we're going to look into the affiliate network Advidi. So this is the website of Advidi. I guess Advidi is one of the most well-known affiliate networks all over the world. It is based in my home country in the Netherlands, which is also real nice. So let's have a look first about in the About Us page. So About Us, this is our story. We're a performance marketing network founded in 2012, global but deeply Dutch, as I already told you, which is real nice. Our mission is also our core business. We find and connect the best people in the industry while inspiring and empowering them to be more successful. We put people before profits. We share everything from beers after work on Fridays to cross-department training. We respect the traditions of our industry, yet bravely challenge it to grow. We believe we must know exactly who we are as a united entity in order to serve you best, and that's exactly what you will find below, the story of Advidi. So they have a real nice brand video. I already watched that before. You could look into that as well. Real nice, an explanation about their brand. In our industry, some people stand out, which is really true. And a little story about their Hyro. I'm not going to go too deeply into that right now. Our people beneath the digital layers and conversions were built on human connections. Of course, we invite you to get acquainted with us digitally, and then we'd like to get to know you in person so you can meet the team. Alright, Advidi Private Collection. Advidi Private Collection is part of our elite loyalty program. Each year we commission an artist to create a piece that represents the industry in its current form. Okay, real nice. Oh, their office, which is also real nice. It is based in Amsterdam. Our one-of-a-kind office is in the old Amsterdam machine pump building built during the Industrial Revolution. Really cool. You can see a gallery here of Advidi, and you can stay up to date with Advidi by subscribing to their email list. So let's go into their products. So let me have a look. Their products and services. So they have a lot of products and services. I think they are stacked above here. Affiliate marketing, lead generation, brand safety, business intelligence, design service, payment cycle, and global coverage. So not only are they like an affiliate network, they do a lot of more different things, like as I told, the brand safety and business intelligence, design service. They're really diverse, or like really real big business. So mainly important for me, and I guess for the people watching, is the affiliate marketing part. They have a lot of different business models: CPA, CPL, CPI, PPS, trial, single opt-in, double opt-in, carrier billing, and their strongest markets are North America, US, Europe, UK, and Asia. That is real nice as well, that they have a lot of different geos. So let's have a look in their story. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a global industry that never stops evolving. We've been evolving with it since 2012. That's around 8 years right now. Whether you're an affiliate or an advertiser, we help you stay ahead with best-in-class support services. On one hand, we add value. You get advanced reports, exclusive offers, powerful creatives, years of data, and more. At the same time, we remove obstacles. You'll forget what it was like to stress about cash shortages, fraud, non-responsiveness, and other hassles. Sounds real familiar. So the result is more confidence, more speed, and better performance, one campaign after the next. So their strongest verticals are right here: dating, mainstream, health and beauty, iGaming, and e-commerce, which are all real nice verticals. So let's have a little look into, for example, e-commerce. Wow, a lot of things said right here. E-commerce, leveraging the strength of our current performance. We are diversifying into e-commerce, focusing on major verticals like finance, travel, retail, and telco. Okay, nice. A lot of information to find here about their different strongest verticals. Lead generation, which is something I really love. Leads aren't just contact details on a spreadsheet, they're people. And we know what it takes to attract people. We've helped some of our biggest lead gen experts in the world grow audiences in diverse global markets, resulting in a careful balance of quantity and quality. This all leads to a simple formula. If you're an advertiser, we'll send you leads that suit your business model on demand with exceptional lifetime value. So this is specifically important data for specifically important information for advertisers. So these are like their other services like brand safety, business intelligence, design service, payment cycle. I'm not going too deep into that, but it's real nice to see that they do a lot of more things than just being an affiliate network. I like also to highlight Kings of Advidi. I've heard a lot of good things about Kings of Advidi. It's like a contest. The most royal affiliate contest is back. It says right here. It has already passed the last one in February until April. But it's like a real nice contest. For every $1,000 in revenue earned on Advidi offers, you earn 1 point, and in addition, special elixirs can help you gain an advantage over your peers, so don't skip them. So it's like a contest, and you can compete in that competition and earn points and maybe even become the winner. The prizes, which are also real nice to mention. The full prize details will be revealed soon, but here's a quick taste. Round trip tickets to Amsterdam, where their main office is, accommodation in a 5-star hotel for 4 days, exclusive content from guest speakers, a huge boat party on King's Day, private party on King's Night, fun activities, dinners, lunches, and more. So I've seen a lot of nice things. There are also a lot of nice videos about the Kings of Advidi you can find on YouTube as well. They have a nice blog, which is also always real nice. I always keep telling you that I really love the blog, since that is also a lot of things where I can see a lot of inside information, a lot of things that aren't shared on different platforms that you can really find on Google, and real nice to read through as well. So let's now have a look at their dashboard, which is one of the most important parts and the thing that you're going to see every day if you're going to run traffic with them every day. So a real recognizable dashboard as well. It looks more simple than a lot of different affiliate network dashboards. So their main dashboard, they even have an affiliate referral link, so if somebody applies for Advidi as well, you can earn some money through that, as well as being an affiliate for Advidi, which is also a common thing to have. Your performance dashboard, you can see right here your earnings, which is real nice, and your creative summary, your bills. Let's have a look into their offers. So here are their offers. So we can search for per geo, media type, the status, your like the tags, verticals, price formats, your payouts. You can set the minimum and maximum, and you can even search for offers through a name. So let's search for offers in the United Kingdom, for example. So we see a PPL single opt-in offer. Let me search on, let me click on this one. This is the vertical casual dating. Okay, you have to apply to look into them. So that is like a regular thing. You can always also ask your affiliate account manager to your preferences, and they can approve you on different types of offers. So we cannot really look into the offers right now, but it is real nice that you can search on all different things, and I guess they have a lot of different geos, as they already told, since they're running, they have offers for North America, Europe, UK, and a lot more. So the reports, which is also a really nice thing, and this is actually real easy as well. So if you're a new affiliate, things aren't too difficult right here. Daily summary, your campaign summary, creative summary, conversion report, so you can see your conversions right here, and your click report, so you can keep track of your clicks and your conversions, and you can even set the currencies. You can even downscale on per offer or per campaign, and this is also a real nice thing, as I already told you before in another video. You can set the time zone. Since let's say you're running an offer in the UK time zone, and you're looking at the results on Facebook, you also want to compare them to like the results in your affiliate network, and you want to compare them in the same time zone. It is real nice thing that you can look at it in that specific time zone that you're wanting to look at, and you can set your starting date and your end date, which is real nice. So Advidi, I would say like they're a real alive network, a real yeah, they're really alive, and I guess it is one of the most well-known networks in the world, and I think their dashboard is real clean and real easy to work with, no difficulties, and real easy to work with. So that was it for today. I hope you liked today's video. I'm definitely going to look more into Advidi myself as well, since it is a nice network, and I'm really wanting to run some traffic with them as well. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.